Good morning. With latest market news, I'm Uliana. Stocks in China rose on Tuesday as Shanghai came back online after a week-long public holiday. Asian markets started the day lower, taking their lead from a negative session on Wall Street, where the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 0.9%, as investors remained fixated on the deadlock in Washington, which has resulted in the first partial shutdown of the US government in 17 years. Most markets moved into positive territory after the Shanghai Composite resumed trading after the National Week public holiday, with the index last up 0.5%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index rose 1%. Not all markets recovered on Tuesday, with Australia and South Korea extending losses made in the previous session. The Kospi was 0.3% lower and the ASX 200 dropped 0.3%. The news flow from Asia's largest economy has been slow due to the public holiday. Investors are looking ahead to trade and inflation data out over the weekend and early next week to see whether China will produce further signs of an economic recovery that have helped support stocks in recent weeks. The Nikkei reversed losses from earlier in the session and was last up 0.1%. Japanese stocks recovered as the dollar edged higher against the yen, picking itself up from the day's low of 96.59. The dollar was last at 96.95 yens compared with 96.71 late Monday in New York, and making a mild recovery from 0.8% fall in the previous session. Tuesday is a moderately busy day for economic news, although quite a lot of the market's attention will remain focused on the budget battle in Washington, as the crowd decides what it all means for the US macro outlook. Meanwhile, several data releases on the other side of the Atlantic are worth your attention, including today's updates on the UK, BRC, KPMG retail sales monitor and new industrial orders for Germany. Germany factory emits 10 GMT. Germany continues to lead the way with growth in Eurozone, although the frontrunner stumbled in July with a larger-than-expected drop in new industrial orders. Analysts generally anticipate a rebound in today's number. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.